This literature kit on The Red Pony by John Steinbeck incorporates a variety of activities that are divided into pre- and post-reading, with extra writing tasks that offer great options for work. 55 pages chocked full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Explain why Jody found it significant that his father and Billy Buck both wore flat-heeled shoes to breakfast. Predict what will happen to Gabilan's illness. Explore the concept of a refuge and whether it is important to have. Imagine how Doubletree Mutt got his name. Answer true or false questions about the horses Gitano and Easter. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as imagining what you could learn from elders in movie and television programs. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Find examples from the novel that deal with sight, sound, touch, taste, and smell, and list them in an observation chart. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.